Hey, Justin here, back with another piece of technology for the classroom. Great program. It's called iCivics. It is a website. It works on all devices. It is free to sign up. I've used it a few different times. A lot of it's geared towards U.S. history. I teach world history, so haven't used it quite as much as, say, our 8th grade teacher has. But it is nice. So, cool things that you can do. There are games that students can play. Let's say they want to learn about arguments, right? Or branches of power. These are all pre-made games, all right? So kind of help you to see if they understand what they've learned, right? The race to ratify, supreme decision. Like I said, lots of U.S. history stuff. Up here, if you go to the Teach tab, there are different units that you can select. So, we had all the games, I just showed you that. Now, here's the units that you would use to help teach the information. So, let's go with Mini Media Literacy Library. So, there are different levels. These are high school level, you can see with the HS. This, you can download the resources, you can just view the resources, right? Define veto and pocket veto, get the learning objectives laid out real nice for you, and then your resources. Let's go ahead and download this. All right, tells you the materials you need, the handouts that are going to be associated with it, the objectives, things to anticipate, what to distribute, what to read. It really is a good step-by-step lesson plan if you are teaching U.S. government. Kind of gives you all the information, right? You can use this in any way you want. You can tweak it. You can use it exactly how it is. The one that I used just directly off of here, and it was pretty fantastic. Now let's go back to here. All right. So back to Teach. All right. We have all these programs. You can even search by standard. So if you select, I'm going to go with Colorado because that's where I'm at. And I'm going to go Social Studies. And I'm going to go 7th grade. Submit. Now here are the things that would meet my standards according to this website. None of this looks like anything I'd really want to use too much with what I'm teaching right now. However, like I said, our 8th grade teacher, he loves this website. He uses it at least once a week. Okay. Again, great for subplans. If you have an emergency and you just need something real quick, you know you want the students to learn the foundations of government, open it up, print it off, print out all the handouts, and give those to your sub. They can read it directly off the sheet, just like you would. Nice and simple. Easy to navigate, right? You click on iCivics, takes you back to the main screen. Tell you a little bit about it, but it's also great if, you know, kids they have some spare time and you still want them doing something educational, but you also kind of want to give them something fun to do. The games are pretty entertaining. So, great program, free, works on everything. I would say that if I was going to connect this to a standard, I'd connect it to the ISTE standard under educators. I'd say the ISTE standard of educator and designer. 5B, design authentic learning activities to align with content areas, standards, and use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning. The authentic piece, I feel like, is kids like video games. Kids want to do good on video games. They take time to learn what they need to in order to excel in video games. It's also a good digital tool because they can access it from any mobile device. If they are unable to come to class, say they are out on vacation or they're sick, you can share this material with them digitally. Overall, social studies teachers, this is a great resource. I say just give it a try. At least log in, look around, and see if there's anything you can use. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.